So welcome everyone to our introduction session. So I request first of all of you to first switch on your videos so that we can interact in a creative manner, because online has gone पहले ही एक दूसरे के आसपास नहीं है और शक्ल और नहीं दिखेंगी तो just so request you to switch on your video. Hi Shivin.
Hello Gokul. Hello Kirti ji.
Hello.
And we also request you to put your, real names if possible, because I can see a lot of people with 111 and alag numbers. So please 912999, you can just अपना राइट नेम डाल सकते हो. और जो भी आपको आवाज अगर किसी को नहीं आ रही है तो यू नीड टू कनेक्ट टू ऑडियो. किनारी जी, आपको देयर इज एन ऑप्शन, कनेक्ट टू ऑडियो करेंगे तो आपको आवाज आएगी. Great to see you all. Okay, so we'll begin with a very short introduction of ourselves. My name is Anchal and I welcome you all to this introductory session of our yoga teacher training course.
And my name is Himanshu. I also welcome you all to this introduction session. We both are husband and wife, and we have started our yoga journey many years back. So we are practicing since more than 6-7 years now. We are quite young. And as the age will grow, our experience will also grow. So that doesn't matter. And we have been in this field professionally since around 4 years now. So we are basically into conducting yoga instructor courses, yoga workshops, yoga retreats. We have had treated people with chronic diseases, and we have also experienced conducting simple yoga regular classes, yoga classes for specialized groups, and many other things. So you'll get to know us more as we move on with this session.
Also, I would like Ashit ji to give a small introduction of himself. Yeah.
Bye.
Hello, namaste everybody. Good morning and welcome to the session. My name is Ashit Ambekar. I have a yoga studio on area called Balewadi High Street, and I've been teaching Hatha Yoga for the past more than 15 years in India, abroad, and I give talks on the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali and the Upanishads, both here and abroad. So that is my story.
Thank you so much, Ashit ji.
And you all are most welcome, and I'm pretty sure that you will get a very good idea of what all this is about and what we are going to conduct and how we are going to proceed with our program. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Ashit ji. And we'll share you a glimpse of our yoga studio, which is in बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट. तो हम आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे कि हमारा जो स्टूडियो है वो कैसा दिखता है. So the name of our studio is Dynamic Health Studio. It's in Balewadi High Street in Pune. I'm not sure आप में से कितने लोग पुणे में होंगे, पर जो हैं जरूर वो इस कोर्स को हमारे साथ पुणे में आके हमारे स्टूडियो में आके सीख सकते हैं. So this is a glimpse of our studio. It's Dynamic Health Studio, and yeah, this is the entrance. This is our studio where we have very beautifully हमने props, mats, सब कुछ हमारे स्टूडियो में है.
So this all credit goes to
Ashit ji.
Ashit ji. He has taken this studio project very sincerely, and this project is very close to his heart. We know how much effort he has put into constructing this.
It
So
is all Guruji's kripa. It is all Guruji's kripa that he has enriched us so much. And that's all we are carrying. We are carrying the legacy. That's it.
Yes,
Yes.
right, agreed. So this is a beautiful studio, Dynamic Health Studio.
Yeah, so moving forward, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि हम टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स, योगा टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स हम कंडक्ट करते हैं, तो इससे अच्छा क्या होगा कि हम टेस्टिमोनियल से शुरू करें कि हमारे पिछले योगा टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज के एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहे। तो अभी वेरी रिसेंटली, बस एक वीक पहले हमने एक योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर कोर्स खत्म किया है। हम पहले यहाँ पे वीडियो दिखाते थे अपने पुराने स्टूडेंट्स की टेस्टिमोनियल्स की, बट हम बहुत बहुत खुश हैं ये देख के कि आवर स्टूडेंट्स हैव हैप्पीली अग्रीड टू कम हियर इन दिस मीटिंग एंड शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइव विद ऑल ऑफ यू। तो हम अपने योगा स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ इनवाइट करेंगे। सो जागृति, I am just putting you on spotlight. I'll request you to share your experience of our yoga teacher training course. Yeah, I've put you on spotlight.
Yeah, hi, good morning all. Thank you, Anchal ji. Yeah, my name is Jagriti Sharma. I'm a physical therapist by profession. And recently अभी हमारा course complete हुआ है, but exam अभी बाकी है. And last year I have started my journey, and as I am a physical therapist, तो मेरा जो patients का देखने का रहता था, उनकी जो conditions रहती थी, तो एक perspective रहता था हमेशा जो मैं देखती थी patients में कि उनका जो conditions है वो तो हम treat कर लेते हैं, but उनका जो साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर है जो पेशेंट्स का रह जाता है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ 80% पॉपुलेशन में वो फैक्टर बहुत ज्यादा रहता है। कोई भी डिजीज है, कोई भी कंडीशन है, दैट अफेक्ट्स आवर माइंड एज वेल। सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल स्टार्ट विद द योगा, बट दैट टाइम आई वाज नॉट क्लियर विद द एग्जैक्ट कि योगा हमारे लिए कैसे काम करता है और एग्जैक्टली हमारे योगा में क्या कवर होता है। तो आई वाज इतना मेरे को पता था कि हाँ आसनास है, प्राणायाम, एंड दैट्स इट। बट वन डे मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे बताया, आशीष सर का जो यहाँ पे योगा स्टूडियो है बालेवाड़ी में, कि तुम एक बार जाओ वहाँ पे देख के आओ। देन आई केम स्टूडियो में, मैं आई, मैं आशीष सर से मिली, तो मैंने अपना मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है दैट आई एम शेयरिंग की दैट वाज वेरी गुड। जब मैंने आशीष सर से बात करी तो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव योगा के लिए चेंज हुआ कि एग्जैक्टली योगा है क्या। तब तक मेरे लिए सिर्फ आसनास एंड ऑल दैट्स इट। तो फिर मैंने अपना जर्नी शुरू किया। देन मेरे अंदर हुआ कि नहीं, मुझे सीखना है आगे इसके अंदर। तो मैंने सर को पूछा कि कैसे मैं कैसे सीख सकती हूँ। तो दैट टाइम कोरोना का काफी इफेक्ट था, तो अभी क्लासेस कंडक्ट नहीं हो रही थी। सो मैंने सर की अंडर ही मैं 1 और 2 मंथ्स आती थी, स्टूडियो में आती थी। उसके बाद एक दिन सर ने सडनली बोला कि हाँ हमारा कोर्स शुरू होने वाला है टीचर ट्रेनिंग, एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी। तो बस वहां से जर्नी शुरू हुआ, एंड आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग सो मेनी थिंग्स। आंचल जी, हिमांशु सर, शुभम सर, दे आर वेरी वेरी गुड, एंड आशीष सर, सभी की जो टीचर है सबकी अपनी अपनी अलग अलग जो रहते हैं ना कि हर एक टीचर की अपनी अपनी एक क्वालिटीज रहती हैं बताने की, एक्सप्रेस करने की। सो हिमांशु सर से मैंने एक चीज सीखी है कि हाँ हमें हमेशा मतलब एकदम चीजों के लिए ना ऐसे थोड़ा जंप नहीं करना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे स्लो प्रोसेसिंग थोड़ा सा रहना चाहिए लर्निंग में। आंचल मैम से मैंने एक चीज सीखी है कि हाँ वो ऐसा नहीं है कि कई बार क्या होता है कि हम कुछ भी चीज पढ़ने लगते हैं क्योंकि हमारा स्टडीज बहुत टाइम पहले छूट गया था, तो एक वो कहते हैं ना कि थोड़ा सा रह नहीं जाता कि एक कंसेप्ट थोड़ा सा फिर से स्टडी करना है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। सो आंचल मैम से हमने वो सीखा कि हाँ आप भी अब क्विकली कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू दिस थिंग। एंड शुभम सर जिन्होंने हमारे प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस लिए, आसनास एंड ऑल। सो या आई हैव लर्नड। और आशीष सर से तो आई विल से थैंक यू सो मच। आई हैव चेंज्ड माय व्यू टुवर्ड्स द योगा, so because of all of you, and it was very great journey for me, and this is the लर्निंग प्रोसेस। अभी भी लर्निंग स्टेज ही है जब तक हमें अच्छे से नहीं हो जाता। एंड आई विल से दैट कहते हैं ना कि कुछ भी अगर हमें शुरुआत करनी है, सपोज अगर हमें घर भी बनाना है ना, तो हमारी फाउंडेशन जो है ना वो स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. अगर फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग नहीं है, सो यू कांट क्रिएट स्टोरीज ऑन देम. उनके ऊपर आप जितनी मर्जी स्टोरीज नहीं बना सकते. बट अगर एक बार आपकी फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग हो गई ना, तो आप जितनी मर्जी स्टोरीज उसके ऊपर बना सकते हो. बिकॉज योगा इज अ कंटिन्यूस लर्निंग प्रोसेस जब तक सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन नहीं आ जाती. सो आई वुड से कि अगर यहाँ पे आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन, उसके बाद आई विल स्टार्ट कि हाँ आगे प्रोसेस करना है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि हमारा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन क्रिएट हो रहा है. सो दिस इज इट, एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल माय टीचर्स.
Thank you so much for this beautiful, valuable feedback, Jagriti. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. तो अभी मैं इनवाइट करूंगी अभिजीत जी, जो हमारे एक और स्टूडेंट हैं, फॉर हिज फीडबैक. सो अभिजीत जी, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग यू ऑन स्पॉटलाइट. You can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Sure. Hi all, this is Abhijit Palande. I come from a IT background. I've been working more than 20 years in IT. Now, question is, why this course? I mean, why did I come here? So, I have been into yoga. I have attended yoga classes, but many a times we have a concept that yoga is just another form of exercise, right? Some people go to gym, some people run, and some people do yoga. But I had some sessions with Jyoti Tai, with Ashit sir, okay, and through some of the instructions that they give and some of the discussions that we had, I felt that no, yoga is more than what I have been perceiving all these years, and that is how I decided that okay, one day I got a message from Ashit sir that okay, this Dynamic Health Studio, we are starting this session, yoga teachers training. So that is how I said, okay, let me go ahead, let me learn it, because one of the things that I have always felt over the period of years, even in my corporate life, when you have to explain it to somebody else, right, you learn more in depth, okay, and that is why just learning to do asanas, better thing is you learn why the asana is there, what are the benefits, how it is not just a body but a mind and body both put together. That is how it helps you really completely get a holistic picture. Now that's why I started joining, learning as a teacher, as an instructor, so I will be much more prepared. I got more in-depth insight, and then I realized that okay, this is just the beginning. There is so much to learn in yoga which has been there for thousands of years, and which unfortunately we all this originated in India, but we have been missing it. It is not in our curriculum. It should have been actually brought up since childhood. The benefits could have been better. So yes, it was a good course, and like my friend Jagruti said, we have just completed the course. We are still preparing for our whole exams and everything. But I would say it was a fantastic experience learning with Achalji, Himanshuji, who used to conduct the theory sessions. Himanshuji also conducted some of the practical sessions. And we had Shubhamji, who conducted the practical sessions quite a lot. And all three of them are really awesome, calm and peaceful. You know, it's really is very good to be there offline and learn it from them. So whenever possible. In these days, not every time it will be online, but every time offline may not be possible. Whenever possible, do join offline the studio that Ashit sir has very nicely and passionately built. You will learn a lot more by physically being there. You know, your mind becomes focused rather than somebody at home coming by is coming there, the bell is ringing and all that. So my recommendation is be there offline if possible, whenever possible, and learn it. It has opened my eyes towards a complete holistic picture, and it will help in your normal life. So don't, my view was that it's not just an exercise, something which you do 1 hour, half an hour a day, and that's it. No, it is something which will help improve my regular normal life and my regular normal corporate routine as well. It will bring much more stability and clarity of thought. So fantastic teachers. It's a good course. It has, I would say, kind of started my journey in yoga. This is just the beginning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhijit ji. Thank you so much आपके valuable feedback के लिए. We have another feedback. Maruti ji, I would like you to give a brief feedback since you're also little running out of time. Thank you so much. आपको मैंने spotlight पे add किया है, Maruti ji.
Yeah. So yeah, hi, I'm Maruti. I'm a senior software development manager in Siemens, and I've been learning yoga a bit non-traditional way, earlier. But since last 6 years, I've been very fortunate to be associated with Ashit and Dynamic Health Studio. He's an amazing teacher, and the way he teaches, right? I mean, he kind of makes you experience what you're doing. So it developed a love for yoga in me, and it's purely due to the love for yoga that I took up to this teacher training. I don't want to really, I mean, my motive was not to become a teacher and teach people. Yes, that is a byproduct of it. If it has to happen, it will happen. And, but it's purely due to the love. So let's take Ashit, and, one thing that the students in this course will get is the rich experience of Ashit ji. He's one of the best that I've seen, who can kind of very lucidly explain the Patanjali Yoga Sutras and their application to you, right? And everything comes together. So today morning I was listening to a discourse wherein I'm going through this course, and this course teaches you how to live your life in yoga. It's not, if you do it in that way, then you'll really benefit. I mean, I did everything here perfectly. I was appreciated that that I did everything, but it was purely because it was natural for me, due to the love for yoga. It was on days I was kind of really hard pressed for time and other things. It wasn't. Sorry, I need just 2-3 minutes. I need to tell my experience. So if you see, right, I mean, Gita is there, right? I mean, there is everything theory before you, right? I mean, Krishna has told Vyavasayatmika Buddhi, right? So I was listening to that discourse, one pointed attention, right? Or he talks in second chapter about Sankhya Buddhi and Yoga Buddhi, right? Right knowledge and right action, right? The Buddhi towards that. And today, fortunately, why I'm telling you, you'll get to this. I mean, it might be flying away for some of you, but still it's important to know. And then in Gita, he also talks about, you will hear these terms when you go through this course about Chitta, Samadhi, Man. They are all the terms that Krishna gives for the Man. Chitta is the one that is, in vrittis or modulations, right? It's kind of moving around. You're not able to focus anywhere. You're going through a lot of, pain, depression, right? So the mind in that state is called Chitta. The mind that is completely focused, which is full of that Vyavasayatmaka Buddhi, all through it, is itself called as Samadhi, right? Samadhi. So he's talking about, but how do you reach these things, right? I mean, is it possible just by reading something? Okay, that mind has to be, avoided from, it should be taken away from the distractions. Is it possible to do that? No. So just yesterday, Ashit ji was taking a course on neuroscience. He was talking about the neuroplasticity that yoga builds in you, through which you don't relapse back into a state of, depression or all those kleshas that you are going through. That is when you will be able to kind of focus yourself into whatever you want to do, whether it's whatever path you follow, even if you want to Gita ka adhyay karna hai, ya kuch bhi acha kaam karna hai, mind should be kind of focused on it. It should feel that I want to go on this path regularly on a regular basis. That is what yoga does to you. It has done it to me. It has done it to me. I am experiencing the beauty of yoga. It's not just physical benefits. I'm 46 years now. I feel like 25, and I am 25, right? And I will be 25 till end. So it is because of Ashit ji. So that's about Ashit ji. One of the things that all of you will get here is his rich experience. You need to, first of all, even in Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Iyengar ji says, B.K. Iyengar ji, our Guruji's Guruji, right? So Ashit ji has directly learned from BKS Iyengar ji. So you will get that rich direct experience of Iyengar yoga. So he says that Eka Tattva Abhyasa, right? I mean, if you want to get over all these kleshas or all these chitta vikshepas, that the ones that are troubling your mind, all the things, right? The only way is Eka Tattva Abhyasa. But can you just sit and meditate directly? No, right? I mean, your mind is. So this course really explains you all the steps of yoga, the Ashtanga Yoga, starting from your yamas, niyamas, how do you need to conduct yourself with the world? How do you need to, carry with yourself? How do you need to behave with yourself? What are the things that you need to observe? And then, of course, that yoga asanas for the physical strength, and then pranayam, and then taking you inwards to the meditation and taking your mind to that samadhi state wherein you can accomplish anything that you want to. It works in the right way, and then it directs you in the right way to read the right things. Today, I really want to do only good things. I mean, there is nothing called as a bad thing. Anything I want to do, I want to kind of focus. So this is what I have achieved. Now coming to our instructors, right? Sorry for taking that time. So this rich experience of Ashit ji, don't miss it. Okay, I've been fortunate to experience that. Coming to our teachers, Achal ji and Himanshu ji, both of them, though they are claiming that they are young, they have learned a lot. I mean, they're seniors. They have learned from Bihar School of Yoga. They will tell you, and you will get to know. They have actually spent time. They have made this their only profession, and that they are totally dedicated towards this cause, right? So I've been really fortunate to learn from them because they were practically experienced. They attended workshops, year-long workshops, month-long workshops at different big schools that teach you yoga, including Bihar School of Yoga and other things. And they have many certifications. So never consider that they are young and they're inexperienced. I really respect the kind of knowledge that they have, right? And that how it will help, I'll tell you. The whole course, it is involved. It's basically pretty involved, but it is very rich. I'm telling you, it's very rich. As you go through these 3 months, you will just enjoy this journey, right? I mean, okay, doing asanas is one thing, but holistically understanding the Ashtanga Yoga is a beautiful thing. So they, with their experience, make even the theoretical topics very, very, very creative. Okay, I mean, you just love to kind of, attend those lectures and listen to them. And the notes that they have prepared, amazing notes. You won't get that kind of a notes. I think they have kind of spent years together preparing that kind of notes that if you want to take some course outside, you'll be deprived of this kind of notes and the teaching material that they provide you. The videos that they provide you are amazing. Okay, you just can follow those videos and you become confident. And the whole course is kind of conducted in such a way that it builds confidence in you. I'm giving level 2 directly next week. I mean, whatever is the result, I'm pretty confident here, right? Initially, I was telling Ashit ji and my instructors that, no, I will give only level 1, though I'm kind of qualified to give level 2, I will give level 1 because there's too much of material out there. But the way they kind of conducted this course in 3 months, if you follow that religiously, you'll be totally confident in giving anything and cracking anything. Right? So that is the next thing. And about our practical Guruji, last 1 minute on Shubham ji. So if you kind of that Shubham ji is the one who takes the practical session. The beauty of this course is you have an hour and a half hour of theory, and the same thing you kind of experience in the practical session that follows. So you never are feeling that, okay, I'm just going to the theory and other things, right? So our practical instructor Shubham ji is very good at breaking down complex poses. Like I learned the crow pose, Bakasana, Mayurasana. He taught us beautifully how to break it out and how to be patient with ourselves while we experience it. So he gives you a complete end-to-end experience of all the syllabus, not just the syllabus, the asanas and the pranayams in syllabus and the meditations, but outside of that too. So for all these reasons, I just loved this journey, and I really thank all of them from February. It has been an amazing journey. Sorry, I took a couple of more minutes because my experience is not limited to these words. It's far beyond this. Okay. Thank you, Ashit ji, and Himanshu ji and Shubham ji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maruti ji. You overwhelmed us.
You always overwhelm us.
I told the truth that I experienced. So yeah, that's true. Thank you.
Okay, so we have the last testimonial for today, which is our very old student Hemlata. I'll just invite her. Yeah, so Hemlata, you can go on.
Good morning, everyone. I am Himlata Khanvilkar. I am a mechanical engineer and working in corporate as a mechanical engineer for last 10 years. So last year was a very bad phase of my life. Ashish sir knows it very well. And I was about to go to depression, but this yoga helped me a lot. And that's when I decided that I'll learn yoga professionally so that I can help people who are really struggling hard to live their life. And this yoga has given me a lot insight on yoga is not just asana, it's way beyond that. It's a way of life. And the more you get into it, the more wonderful person you can be, not to yourself, but also to the society. My experience with Achalji and Himanshuji is that they are very young, but that is not true because they have a very, very, very deep knowledge of yoga and they are happy to share whatever they know. If they don't know anything, that happens, that is okay. They come back to you and they are always there to help you. About and their notes, yeah, what Maruti ji said, I really agree to it. If you read their notes, I tell you, you don't have to read anything, literally anything. Notes are enough to know, to think, and to implement in your life. That's it. Then about Shubham, Ashish sir again knows that if I like doing yoga or learn yoga under anyone's guidance is Ashish sir. After unfortunately I couldn't continue with her because I moved to some other place. But after that, I joined almost 4 to 5 classes and I left those within less than a month and I came back to Ashit sir. But Shubham is the second person I would say I would go to learn yoga after Ashit sir. As Maruti ji has again explained what I wanted to say, that he breaks the asanas and he explains it so well that you get that in mind. No, I can do this and I can achieve this. So that is the experience. Regarding exams or the study, I would say I did one mistake because of some things I couldn't study on regular basis. But I request you all to study daily at least for an hour so that you know the topic well and you can appear for the exam in a better way. So all the best to all of you. And I tell you, this is going to be the wonderful experience of your life because yoga is not just this course or just what you practice, it's the learning for lifetime. It's very vast. You can learn till the end of your life. All the best, and I know you'll get through this all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hemlata, for your beautiful, honest, nice feedback. ठीक है, तो अभी टेस्टिमोनियल्स हुए, अब हम अपने बारे में बताएंगे. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत सब कुछ बोल ही दिया है, but just a quick introduction about us. तो अशीत जी जैसे हमने बताया, he is a Dynamic Health Studio and we are in collaboration with him. We are Yoga Teach and we founded Yoga Teach about 2 years back, just for our love to teach yoga instructor courses, workshop and retreats. And we have till now taught about 15 courses so far in the last 3-4 years that we've been teaching professionally. And yeah, we would just like to show you a glimpse of our website. So
these are some photographs of our courses, workshops. So these are the testimonials of other old students. And so these are the courses which we have done till now.
These are all yoga instructor courses, online, offline, all included together.
And these are some workshops that we have conducted. So we are in collaboration with Ashit ji and Dynamic Health Studio to conduct this course. So now, बहुत बातें हो गई अब. So let us begin with the presentation with the details of the course. Okay. So the objective of the course is to impart holistic knowledge through a well-designed program, which we have made, this yoga instructor course. And this program also trains you to clear the YCB certification, which is proposed by the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, under the scheme of voluntary certification of yoga professionals. तो हमारा जो कोर्स है इट रन्स अराउंड दिस सिलेबस जो गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है.
सो बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट इससे साथ आया ही क्यों? मतलब हमने देखा कि आपने देखा होगा कि हर गली, हर नुक्कड़, हर जगह पे योगा शुरू हो गया था. सो हर जगह पे अपने अपने योगा इंस्टीट्यूट खुल रहे थे, कोई कुछ सिखा रहा था, कोई कुछ सिखा रहा था. तो गवर्नमेंट ने देखा, इसको समझा कि नहीं, इसको हमको स्टैंडर्डाइज करने की जरूरत है. तो इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ने ये एफर्ट लिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष को बोला कि अभी हमको एक एग्जाम निकालना है, एक कोर्स सिलेबस बनाना है योगा का, जो पूरे इंडिया, पूरे विश्व में उसको फॉलो किया जाए. सो दिस इज हाउ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष योगा सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड केम इनटू पिक्चर. पहले इसको क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया बोलते थे. आप लोगों ने, कई लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा, QCI एग्जाम बोलते थे पहले इसको, पर अब इसको हम ओके गोपाल जी, गोकुल जी, तो नाउ अब हम इसको योगा सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड के नाम से जाते हैं. नाउ वी कॉल दिस योगा सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड. So this is the most credible exam now in India. This is going to be almost mandatory for all of us in the near future.
Okay, so as you can clearly see कि government of India has introduced, Ministry of Ayush ने QCI को कहा, and then now YCB and Morarji Desai is managing this exam and this scheme. So there are 4 levels of yoga professional certification under that scheme. The first level is level 1 yoga protocol instructor. Level 1 yoga protocol instructor. So the level 1 people who clears the level 1 exam, they can teach basics of yoga and common yoga protocol, which the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, they provide on each international day of yoga. So they can conduct that protocol and they can practice, they can take classes in parks, RWA, societies, and that. Then the next level is level 2 yoga wellness instructor. This is yoga for prevention of illness and promotion of wellness in school, yoga studios. So they are little more professional on that side. They can teach in studios, workplaces, healthcare centers, hospitals, and everything.
So Kavya, Rampali ji, we will address all the questions in the end. So just we are about to finish and then आपका सारा हम last में करेंगे. सबको आवाज आ रही है? You can just give a little thumbs up if you can hear us clearly. Okay, great.
So Kavya, there must be something on your end because everybody can hear. आप volume का कुछ check कीजिए. So this was about level 2. Then level 3 certification is another level of professionalism. In this, we can evaluate the yoga professionals and we can teach in studios. We can own studios, we can open studios, and we can teach in universities. We can teach in institutes of higher learning. We can take lectures for people who are doing masters, and that is another level.
तो आप वैसे इससे समझ सकते हैं कि लेवल 1 जो है वो बिगिनर्स है, लेवल 2 इंटरमीडिएट है, लेवल 3 एडवांस है और लेवल 4 एडवांस से भी थोड़ा ऊपर है. पर अभी लेवल 4 एक्चुअली गवर्नमेंट ने इंट्रोड्यूस करा ही नहीं है. मतलब इसको सिर्फ नाम बताया है, पर अभी इसके एग्जाम शुरू हुए ही नहीं है लेने के लिए.
So this is the certificate that you receive when you clear this exam. So it has a stamp of YCB, it has a stamp of Morarji Desai, it has stamp of Government of India, Ministry of Ayush, and this is the stamp of the agency which conducts the exam. So this one does not matter that much, but these 3 logos, and this certificate is the most credible one till date because it is recognized. और ये level 1 का है, यहाँ पर level 2, level 3, whatever is there वो लिखा होता है.
पहले वैलिडिटी पीरियड इस सर्टिफिकेट का 3 years होता था, but now we are lucky the validity period of this certificate is now 5 years.
Okay, so what are the benefits of this certificate? So one and only yoga professional, जैसे हमने बात करी ली है, it opens up government and private job opportunities in and outside of India. It is recognized internationally. And soon it will become, so it has already started becoming an eligibility criteria for many job opportunities. Government and private it has already started ki they ask minimum eligibility should be level 2 or level 1. And you get a listing on the website of Yoga Certification Board. So it has a list of all the yoga professionals. Your name gets added to that list. Ministry of External Affairs have made this certificate compulsory for foreign deputation. So after every few months, Ministry of External Affairs it introduces or it opens up an opportunity for yoga teachers so that they can go to foreign and teach yoga on our behalf, on India's behalf. So this certificate is mandatory for that. Now sponsorship for ICCR to travel overseas as per norms internationally and sponsored by Government of India for
So
international.
lot of people ask us कि क्या ये certification का बाहर validity है? तो yes, this has
Yes.
an international validation and it is the only certificate which is the most largely and widely accepted outside India also.
And it is like initiated by the government of. Okay, so next is the exam pattern. जो आपके 3 levels हमने बताया है, उनके exams होंगे certification के लिए. So this is the exam pattern. Theory exam is of 60 marks for level 1 and 2. Level 3 is 80 marks. Number of questions भी उतने ही हैं. MCQ type आपका theory exam होता है. और practical exam 140, 120 marks का है. तो ये जो bracket में percentage लिखे, this is percentage of total. कि आप 30% weightage is for theory, 70% weightage is for practical. Level 1, 2 के लिए and level 3 के लिए लिखा ही है. 60-40 है.
तो
Okay.
बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट हमें अपना सर्टिफिकेशन दे रही है, उसके लिए वो छोटा सा एग्जाम लेती है हमसे और वो MCQ बेस्ड होता है. वो कैसे टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा वो हम आपको अभी दिखाएंगे.
And you can unmute any time and ask questions regarding this. You don't have to wait, write questions and then ask in the end. We can have this interaction in between. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन आता है वो इस तरीके का होता है. सैंपल थ्योरी क्वेश्चन कि what is the definition of yoga according to Bhagavad Gita, perfection of asanas, A, B, C, D, and you have to mark the correct answer. So anyone would like to volunteer and anyone would like to answer this sample question? Huh? Anyone?
Sunu is smiling.
Sunu
It's a
bolo.
skill in action.
Yeah,
Great. बिल्कुल.
D, no,
नहीं.
not D.
C है ऋषिकेश.
Not D, it is C.
Okay.
Yeah, C, right. Okay, so इस तरीके का sample question आएगा and then इस तरीके के practical के और viva के question आएंगे and मैंने आपको यहाँ बताया कि the practical exam goes for 40 minutes, 30 minutes. तो इस तरीके के question उसमें होते हैं. Explain meaning of a chant and meaning of any prayer.
जैसे आपको मालूम है अपने बचपन में ऐसे स्कूल्स में वाइवा होते थे, एकदम एक वाइवा होगा जिसमें आपको खड़ा कर दिया जाएगा सामने और आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि कपालभाति कैसे करते हैं, सूर्य नमस्कार के क्या लाभ हैं, पश्चिमोत्तानासन करके दिखाइए, एक्सेट्रा.
Yeah, so this is going to be the practical viva. Okay, so this is the course content. So out of 100%, module 1 is theory or philosophy of yoga, which contains 30% of the whole syllabus. Module 2 and module 3. Module 2 is yoga practice, जो हम आजकल योगा जानते हैं, हठ योगा, आसन, प्राणायाम, शतक्रिया, मुद्रा, बंधा, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, स्थूल व्यायाम, ध्यान, all these techniques, yoga practices उसमें आएंगी. Module 3 is teaching practices.
तो हमारे पूरा का पूरा कोर्स हमने 3 हिस्सों में ऐसे डिवाइड किया है.
So this is module 1.
ये मॉड्यूल 1 है, इसमें हम बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे. तो कैसा होता है, बहुत सारे योगा के स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग जानते होंगे कि हमें आसन करने तो अच्छे से आते हैं, पर हठ प्रदीपिका क्या है, पतंजलि योगा सूत्र क्या है, थ्योरी में हम बहुत वीक होते हैं. तो ये इस कोर्स की बहुत बड़ी खासियत है कि हम इसमें आपको थ्योरी भी अच्छे से पढ़ाएंगे और बहुत ही इंटरेक्टिव वे में हम समझेंगे घिराण संहिता के बारे में, हठ प्रदीपिका, भगवत गीता, एनाटॉमी के बारे में, कैसे हम अलग अलग रोगों को ठीक कर सकते हैं, बीपी, थायराइड, डायबिटीज, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, कैसे हम इनको मैनेज कर सकते हैं योग के द्वारा, क्या अलग अलग पार्ट्स हैं योगा के. सबको बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहती है, अष्टांग योगा क्या है, विन्यास योगा क्या है, वो सब हम समझेंगे. और पार्ट्स ऑफ योगा, भक्ति क्या है, कर्म योग, ज्ञान योग, ध्यान योग, ये सब हम अच्छे से अपने जो, जैसे जागृति ने भी कहा था हमारे स्टूडेंट ने, बेस हमारी फाउंडेशन योग में एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए हमको थ्योरी की भी आवश्यकता होती है. तो ये हम थ्योरी देखेंगे मॉड्यूल 1 में. सेकेंड मॉड्यूल विल बी प्रैक्टिकल मॉड्यूल, जिसमें ऑफ कोर्स हम आसन कैसे करने हैं, प्राणायाम कैसे करना है, मुद्रा कैसे करनी है, सब के सब आपको हम टेक्निक्स शेयर करेंगे, ऑल द बेनिफिट्स, किसका क्या कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन है, किसका क्या वेरिएशंस हैं, योग निद्रा, मंत्र, सब कुछ हम इसमें प्रैक्टिकल पोर्शन में करेंगे. लैंग्वेज, सावित्री जी का क्वेश्चन है, लैंग्वेज ऑफ एग्जाम एंड कंटेंट ऑफ. हाँ, तो लैंग्वेज ऑफ एग्जाम के लिए हमारे पास बहुत ऑप्शंस होते हैं सावित्री जी। हम मराठी में भी एग्जाम दे सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी दे सकते हैं, हिंदी में भी दे सकते हैं, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। तो हम इन सब के बारे में सीखेंगे, योग निद्रा मंत्र, मेडिटेशन, आसन, प्राणायाम, धारणा, ध्यान, सब के बारे में हम प्रैक्टिकली फील करेंगे, सीखेंगे। और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट मॉड्यूल इज टीचिंग प्रैक्टिस, की मतलब पढ़ाना कैसे है, सिखाना कैसा है, वो भी हम देखेंगे कि छोटा ग्रुप हो, बड़ा ग्रुप हो, क्या हमारा सीक्वेंस रह सकता है पढ़ाने में, कुछ बने बनाए सीक्वेंसेस कि हम जब आप शुरू करें पढ़ाना तो आप कैसे अपना शुरू कर सकते हैं, तो उसकी पूरी गाइडेंस हम आपको देते हैं। अनवी जी पूछ रही हैं, हाउ इज एनीवन सिलेक्टेड फॉर ICCR गोइंग आउटसाइड टू टीच?
So it has a procedure, ICCR का नोटिस निकलता है, then you have to apply, उनको भेजना पड़ता है कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, कैसे जा रहे हो, you have to send all the credentials, तो that is another process, वो भी you can do after clearing this certification. And the last part is discover the undiscovered, which is neuroscience of yoga. So this is a speciality outside this certification topic, but it is very interesting, as few of our students have already explained that they learned neuroscience of yoga from Mr. Ashit ji. So this is so I have not mentioned much about it because to create curiosity among you. It is very interesting, very interesting. I'm just telling you this. I'm just trying to make this slide interesting by putting this just to tell you that it is interesting. I'm not going to disclose any topic about it, any content. So this is another part of our course. Yeah. So now what is your journey? What is overall journey to become government certified instructor? So first you have to register and start the course with us. And we conduct final exam internally of our own, and you get certified by us if you clear that exam. And we also conduct routine exams, routine tests, routine quizzes to आपको prepare रहेगा exams के लिए. Once you clear and get certified by us, then you register for the government exam, and this registration we will facilitate everything for you, because the system of this registration is not very like easy till now. उसमें थोड़ा बहुत if you there are some complications उसमें, but we are there to help you. Then you appear for the government exam, you clear the government exam and get certified by the government of India, and then you start teaching wherever you want. You become a government certified teacher. This is the journey.
So, बहुत सारे लोगों को ये भी समझना होगा, अगर हमको, जैसे मैंने सबसे पहले जब अपना टीचर ट्रेनिंग करा था तो मुझको टीचर नहीं बनना था, तो आप लोग अगर ये फील करें कि सिर्फ टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स है तो ऐसा फील ना करें। अगर आपको गहराई से समझना है, योग को जीना है, अपने लाइफस्टाइल में योग को अच्छे से उतारना है, तो भी आपका ये कोर्स बहुत अच्छे से आप कर सकते हैं। आप बहुत कुछ इसमें सीखेंगे, इवन इफ यू डोंट वांट टू बिकम अ टीचर। किनारी जी, गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम अभी कोरोना के करके ऑनलाइन हो चुका है, द एग्जाम विल बी ऑनलाइन। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट। हमारे साथ कोर्स करने के क्या फायदे हैं?
So यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट, ये सिर्फ I have not written these points just to fill up the slide. Each point has very big weightage in the course. First thing is perform yogic cleansing techniques such as Sutra Niti, such as Jal Niti, such as Laghu Shank Prakshalan. तो ऐसा yogic cleansing techniques, so rarely people teach all these techniques. Rarely people know complications of all these techniques, but we do teach all these techniques, and we have taught in our all the yoga instructor courses. So you get the experiential knowledge also as well as theoretical also.
Then we have interactive classroom activities. हर theory topic को हम कोशिश करते हैं कि we can make it as interactive as possible. Presentations होती हैं, group discussions होते हैं, हम homework देते हैं, project activities होती हैं, write-ups होते हैं. So we are doing a lot of interactive things ताकि theory को भी हम interesting बना सकें. Then teaching practice under supervision. जैसे कि आपने शुभम जी के बारे में सुना, तो हमारे जो practical teacher हैं वो कोशिश करते हैं और पूरी आप लोगों को एक टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस का एक आइडिया देते हैं कि कैसे जब आप पढ़ाना शुरू करेंगे तो कैसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना है, और आपको सुपरविजन के अंदर टीचिंग का हम आप अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं ताकि आप अपने टीचिंग को बेटर कर सकें।
एंड इसमें भी कंडक्ट, जैसे हम क्लासेस कंडक्ट करने को बोलते हैं फॉर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, तो कि आप यू कंडक्ट फ्यू आसनास, यू कंडक्ट फ्यू प्राणायाम, सो आपका उससे टीचिंग
कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है,
कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, क्लैरिटी बढ़ती है, इंस्ट्रक्शंस कैसे देनी है दैट इंप्रूव्स। नेक्स्ट इज
हमारे रूटीन मॉक एग्जाम्स हैं, क्विजेस हैं, क्योंकि जब तक हम देखा है कि कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स का कैसे हो जाता है, जब हम एग्जाम्स लेते हैं तब वो और एक्टिव हो जाते हैं। तो बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स रहते हैं, सरप्राइज टेस्ट रहते हैं, क्विजेस रहती हैं, बहुत खूब सारे क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करते रहते हैं। रूटीनली मॉक एग्जाम्स से आपकी प्रेपरेशन और कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बहुत बूस्ट होता है। देन हम ये भी आपको सिखाएंगे कि अलग अलग लोगों के लिए हम योगा क्लासेस कैसे कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं। दिस विल बी अ स्मॉल एडिशन टू द कोर्स, आपके सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है, बट फॉर एग्जांपल इफ द प्रेग्नेंट विमेन इज देयर, और कोई बूढ़े लोग हैं, बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए हम कैसे छोटी छोटी अलग अलग चीजें कर सकते हैं उनकी क्लास लेने के लिए।
एंड देन गेट रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स, सो इसमें आपको एनी टाइम यू कैन एक्सेस दोज लेक्चर्स, कभी छुट्टी हुआ है, इफ यू वांट टू रिवाइज, this is another additional benefit. And use of multimedia for active learning. So multimedia is basically so we use a lot of videos, photos, presentations to like ताकि actively learn करें आप, you see the thing and that happens. So in our, if you come offline also in our studio, we have a beautiful projector screen, we have a projector installed there, and we make you watch the presentation videos or any photo there. So multimedia full use hota hai, so that also makes the course interesting. So we have offline plus online facility. So we have offline plus online facility. This is a new model that we have come up with. Ki on any given day, if you can come to our studio, you come to our studio and attend the live lecture, and you get the recorded live lecture of that you get recorded class. And if you cannot come, you just attend online on Zoom and you receive recorded online lecture. So what we do is, whenever we are conducting a session in the studio, we conduct in the studio live also, and at that same time the lecture is वो Zoom पे भी चल रहा होता है, तो Zoom पर रिकॉर्ड भी होता है, तो ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन बोथ आर देयर। अगर आप आउटसाइड पुणे है, इनसाइड पुणे है, व्हाटएवर इज देयर, दिस कोर्स इज फॉर यू। You will have no issues in regular classes and lectures. So this is the tentative schedule that we have proposed कि Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday 11 AM to 2 PM का हमारा
आपका कोर्स रहेगा,
आपका कोर्स का टाइम रहेगा, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन कभी भी we can do.
Yes, and the starting date of the course is 31st of May. 31st of June, sir.
31st
of June.
1st of
June.
Tuesday is 1st of June. 31st is Monday. So 1st June is the course date, which is Tuesday. Okay. So this is about the course fees and what all is included in the fees. Yes.
Yes, Pratik ji, we are coming to it.
So somebody has asked about R by S.
So हाँ, वो उस क्वेश्चन के लिए मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ।
नेहा
I think नेहा जी ने पूछा था उस क्वेश्चन के बारे में। तो नेहा जी, योगा अलायंस की जो सर्टिफिकेशन है, that is not mandatory to teach in India. Even in abroad, a lot of our teachers who have done this certification are teaching. So this yoga alliance certification is an additional feather on your hat, but it is not the only criteria to start teaching abroad. So I just want to say that. बाकी लैंग्वेज ऑफ टीचिंग हिंदी होगा ना? हाँ, तो कविता जी, हमारा जो पढ़ाने का तरीका है वो ऐसा रहता है कि इंग्लिश में हम पढ़ाते हैं, हिंदी और इंग्लिश का मिक्स रहता है। हर चीज में हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं, तो इंग्लिश में भी इंग्लिश हिंदी ऐसे मिलके हम बताते हैं कोर्स में। ठीक है?
ओके, सो नेहा, आपका जो R/S and R/T इसका जो क्वेश्चन है, you can contact me personally for that. It will be slightly out of context कि what is Yoga Alliance, R/S, R/T क्या होता है, but
we are R/T teachers, we will let you know.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Yes.
So is it necessary to have this done this course and then appear for the YCB exam, or we can just directly appear for that as well?
See, for YCP exam is similar to other government exams. जैसे UPSC का होता है, PCS का होता है, अलग अलग जो एग्जाम होते हैं, नेट का एग्जाम होता है, similar YCP exam is similar.
Of course, we
You can
can.
appear for these exams by registering in any time of your life, given you are eligible. So this course is important because you need to prepare for that exam. You should know what type of questions are there, what is the syllabus, where to read. Because government has not provided any books, any material for this. They have just provided the syllabus. Yes, syllabus hai, you have to learn this, and they have given reference book, a list of 32 books that they have given. But आप वो अगर 32 books पढ़ने बैठोगे, it will be very cumbersome for you. तो इसलिए दिस कोर्स इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
आपकी पूरी जर्नी को स्मूथ बनाने के लिए, डायरेक्शन देने के लिए. सी, गुरु बिना गति नहीं. सो एक जब गाइडेंस हमको मिलती है, तो ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस है ऑफ बिकमिंग अ गवर्नमेंट सर्टिफाइड योगा टीचर, इट बिकम्स लाइक वेरी वेरी easy, like our students also told us. But of course, we can always go and give it again alone.
Yes.
Yeah, I have.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I can appear for level 2 only after completing level 1 exam, and similarly by level 3 after completing.
No, so it is not like that. We can directly also give level 2 exam. See, so हमने कैसे करा है, हम अब जो कोर्स सिखाते हैं ना, तो हम level 1 plus level 2 सिखाते हैं, level 2 plus level 3 भी सिखाते हैं, level 3 individual भी सिखाते हैं. So we are teaching basically everything. Now it depends on you. If you are an uttam adhikarin, or I would say very very sincere students, then we directly tell you कि आप तो लेवल 1 के लिए जरूरत ही नहीं है, आप तो डायरेक्टली लेवल 2 के लिए जा सकते हैं. बट अगर आप एक बिगिनर है, तो हम आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप लेवल 1 के लिए जाइए. तो हम ऐसे आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं, गिवन दैट आपका कितना एक्सपीरियंस है योग में, आपका कितना नॉलेज डीप है, आपका कितना पढ़ाई हो चुका है. ठीक है?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes.
If we are doing let's say I'm busy in a daytime job, and I still want to do this course, but can I take your recorded videos, go through them at night or in the early morning, and then still be a part of this course in spite of not being able to?
That is
Definitely.
We have had students from USA, we have had students who were abroad and who have done and who have very nicely cleared the exam because of this, because उनका कुछ timing का issue रहता था, तो वो recorded lecture से पढ़ते थे, and we used to be in touch with them if they had any questions.
Okay.
So
sure, thanks.
so you can be in touch, and so और Saturday को we have, हमने जैसे schedule बताया, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday starting 1st June. So Saturday को if you can take some time out from your work, so you can come in the lecture and have some interaction with us. Otherwise, we are always available on WhatsApp. You can send us messages if there is any doubt regarding any practice, any theory. You can always reach to us, and we will always reply. So totally online करना है, that is also is not a problem at all.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
And so Prateek has asked, are the exam fees included in the course? Of course not. You can see in the slide.
So we are just coming to this.
Yeah.
So this is about the fees and the duration of the course. 3.5 महीने का पूरा कोर्स रहेगा, level 1 plus level 2 जो हमारा फ्लैगशिप कोर्स है. 22,500 उसकी फीस है. और उस फीस में हम क्या क्या इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, आपकी बुक हम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, आपको प्रिंटेड थ्योरी नोट्स हम पहुंचाएंगे. अगर आप ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट है, अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं, बैंगलोर में रहते हैं, हैदराबाद में रहते हैं, तो इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू पोस्ट यू ऑन योर एड्रेस. आपको बुक के साथ, नोट्स के साथ हम अपनी डिटॉक्स किट भी देते हैं, सूत्र नीति, जल नीति, पॉट, वो सब आपका वो भी रहता है. सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम आवर इंस्टीट्यूट, वो भी आपका. दिस फीस इंक्लूड्स एवरीथिंग. देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग जो हम अपनी फीस में इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो YCB एग्जाम फीस है, जो डायरेक्टली गवर्नमेंट को पे होती है through the website. तो उसके लिए भी हम आपको गाइड करेंगे, but that is not included in our course. But the most beautiful part, what we have decided is the most, जो भी हमारे कोर्स का स्टूडेंट होगा, जो सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा, उनको हम स्कॉलरशिप देंगे.
Yes, so we are coming to that. तो आप ऐसे सोचो कि everything will be taken care of by us. हम सारी चीजों का ध्यान रखेंगे. But YCB exam fees you have to pay. और वो भी you'll see next slide कि उसमें भी कुछ we have some offer for you. So I'll just quickly take all the questions. So Kavita has asked certificate validity ends. Do we need to rectify? So there are provisions to like extend your certificate. Usme the government has introduced a special YCP scheme. So there is CYP scheme, जिसमें continuing yoga professional certification scheme कुछ
Small
है.
workshop.
तो उसमें आपको गवर्नमेंट का कुछ एक वर्कशॉप अटेंड करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू रजिस्टर. तो वहां पे आपका सर्टिफिकेट रिन्यू हो जाता है. यू डोंट हैव टू अगेन रीअपीयर फॉर दिस एग्जाम. सो लैंग्वेज ऑफ टीचिंग हिंदी होगा ना. सो वी टीच इंग्लिश. वी हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड. व्हाट अबाउट ओनली लेवल 1 बैच? सो देयर इज नो ओनली लेवल 1 बैच. You have to, if you are a beginner, you have to enroll for level 1+2. So in this level 1+2, आपके पास freedom ये है कि if you want to attend only level 1, you can attend only level 1 exam. You clear your exam. आप level 1 पे अपना course खत्म कर सकते हो. And for this level 2 upgradation, you can come to us at any time in your life.
To complete the level 2
To
with us.
complete the level 2 with us.
In the
आपको
next
level 1
course.
देना है. You complete level 1 and you stop the course right there. और उसके बाद आप उस साल next year, after few months, after few years, whenever you feel like to upgrade to level 2, you can come to us free of cost. वो उसी फीस में included है level 2 का. तो उसमें आप क्या आप पढ़ सकते हो और level 2 दे सकते हो. What would
I
be
want to ask you.
Yeah.
I want to ask you one thing कि if you like you had said कि आप 1100 जो like we are working people, तो अभी तो लॉकडाउन है तो चलिए हम अटेंड कर सकते हैं. लेकिन आफ्टर जैसे ही हमारे ऑनलाइन हमारा भी ऑफलाइन शुरू हो जाएगा वर्किंग, तो हम अटेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो यू हैड सेड कि आप मॉर्निंग या इवनिंग में उन लेक्चर्स को अटेंड कर सकते हैं. लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट द प्रैक्टिकल्स? लाइक हम आसनास या जो भी मेडिटेशन या जो भी आप करवा रहे हैं वो हम करेक्टली कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो कैसे चेक होगा?
हाँ, उसके लिए तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो हमारे प्रैक्टिकल सेशन होते हैं बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में होते हैं, क्योंकि इट विल नॉट बी अ रेगुलर क्लास. जैसे आपने बाकी योगा पे कहीं पर किसी स्टूडियो में रेगुलर जो क्लासेस चलती हैं वैसी नहीं होती है टीटीसी की क्लासेस. तो वाईएससी क्लासेस आर वेरी मच डिटेल्ड. तो उसमें एक एक चीज पर ध्यान दिया जाता है. सेकेंड थिंग, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट एनीथिंग, definitely reach out to us. And if there are many students like this who are totally online, then we will definitely keep another class apart from a regular class to clear their doubts and to address their queries. We'll keep another class on Sunday, maybe whenever you are free. जब भी वर्किंग लोग संडे को फ्री होंगे, संडे वी कैन कीप अ क्लास इन एवरी 15 days और इन एवरी 3 weeks, जिसमें हम आपका क्वेरीज आपके डाउट्स लेंगे.
See, it is very customizable. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स की हिसाब से हमको उनको कोई भी जो टाइमिंग, अगर उनको कोई भी डाउट आता है, और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको डाउट्स हैं, तो हम डेफिनेटली एक क्लास अरेंज करते हैं उनके डाउट्स को एड्रेस करने के लिए. आई एम एडवांस योगा लर्नर, व्हिच लेवल आई शुड गेट एडमिशन इन? शिवन जी, आप आइए एक बार, सिलेबस आप कोर्स में आइए, हम आपको लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3 जो भी होगा, वी विल गाइड यू ऑन दैट, डोंट वरी.
And so another is what would be the fee for level 2+3 new student? So there is no such course for level 2+3 for new student. You have to go in the right sequence. If you are new student and if you want to do level 3, so the idea is you come to our course in so the first course, level 1+2, you complete level 1+2 course, and then you go for level 3 upgradation, which will be of 1.5 months. You can see the last thing is for our old student. Old student means जिसने 1+2 हमसे किया है. So if you want to do all the 3 levels you think you can do, then enroll in level 1+2, complete for 3.5 months, and if you perform really well in the exams, then you register for another upgrade of level 3.
Yes,
which will
so
be of 1.5 months,
so
and the fees will be 10,000.
So this answers Gokul ji's question that yes, Gokul ji, you can.
ठीक है. So ये है if you want to do all the 3 levels. Okay, I'm working in the timing. Okay, there is only one timing for online exam.
So no, timing for online exams is different. They have different timings, so you don't have to worry on that.
Why are you starting from June 1st? The lockdown will most probably extend till June end. So for the first month, we will run online and then we will start offline. See, why are we? We are very eager to teach. This is the right answer. We are very eager to teach. हमारा बस चले हम कल से ही शुरू कर दें. But you need some time to think and register. So we are eager to teach. That is the reason we are starting. jaldi se jald. I am an advanced. Okay, so everything is asked. Everything is answered now. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. So these are some offers and discounts for you. So first is 10% off on the fees if you register by tomorrow. तो यहाँ पर हमने जो फीस लिखा है, यहाँ पर जो फीस है इस पे 10% ऑफ मिलेगा if you register today or tomorrow.
That is 2,500 for level 1+2. You will directly get an off if you register by today or by tomorrow. Also, group discount is available if you are 2 people or more than that. आगे हमारी जितनी भी वर्कशॉप्स होंगी 20 उसमें आपको 20% ऑफ मिलेगा. हमारी हेड स्टैंड वर्कशॉप होगी, हमारी इन्वर्जन वर्कशॉप होगी, अगर हमारी जल नीति वर्कशॉप होगी तो उन सब वर्कशॉप्स पे आपको 20% ऑफ मिलेगा. एंड जो भी हमारे कोर्स का सबसे सिंसियर और सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मर होगा उनका YCB का एग्जाम हम स्पॉन्सर करेंगे.
Yes, that is the thing जो फीस में इंक्लूड नहीं है इंक्लूडेड, बट जो बेस्ट परफॉर्मर होगा उसका हम स्पॉन्सर करेंगे.
We will sponsor. So you can let us know जो भी नंबर है हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स will put down in the group which you have joined. उसमें सारी details of the payment, of our contact details. If you want to personally talk to us on a call or something, you can contact us. All the details will be there in the group right after this session.
Yes, वैसे तो मतलब I have been sending messages, reminder for link और वो सब. That is my number. और इसके बाद WhatsApp पर I'll send you all the details also. ठीक है. So these are offers and discounts. So everything ये सब clear है. 1st June we are starting. So any questions? The last slide. Stop share करूँ? Okay. बोलो. कोई किसी को question है? Anything
unanswered कुछ रह गया है तो you can simply unmute yourself and ask your question.
What
So
are the
after
modes
this
of
course,
payment?
so after this course, how many hours TTC certificate we will get? मनीषा जी, I think मनीषा जी, right? हाँ, so मनीषा जी देखिए ये जो आवर्स वाला सर्टिफिकेट होता है ये योगा स्कूल्स जो रजिस्टर्ड योगा स्कूल्स होते हैं वो देते हैं. हम आपको सिंपल सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे एंड अप्रॉक्स दिस कोर्स इज अबाउट 200 आवर्स. अप्रॉक्स हमारा जो कोर्स है ये 200 आवर्स का है. सो इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट आप 200 आवर्स आप समझ सकते हैं. अबाउट 170 to 180 आवर्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट टीचिंग इज देयर एंड अबाउट 20 आवर्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी इज देयर. ओके, आई थिंक मोड ऑफ पेमेंट किसी ने पूछा था, तो मोड ऑफ पेमेंट जो भी आपको पेमेंट का मोड है आप उसमें कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गिव अस व्हाट्सएप पे हम सेंड करेंगे, अपनी बैंक डिटेल सेंड करेंगे, फोन पे, पेटीएम, गूगल पे, bank transfer, anything can be done.
Yes.
Do you have any 1 or 2 months course apart from certification? Yes, so we are also coming up for a 1 month course which is yoga volunteer certification, but that's a little different.
So can you share the last slide again? Okay, last
so Neha
slide.
पटोले जी 1 और 2 लेवल का एग्जाम साथ में देने की आवश्यकता ही नहीं है. हम डायरेक्टली लेवल 2 का एग्जाम दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो डायरेक्टली लेवल 2 दिया मतलब उसमें लेवल 1 प्लस लेवल 2 ही हुआ. 2 एग्जाम देने की आवश्यकता नहीं, एक ही होता है वो एग्जाम. लेवल 2 का आपने दे दिया मतलब you are good enough, you're having the knowledge of level 1 plus level 2. That means that only.
Yes, तो अलग अलग की कोई जरूरत नहीं है उसमें.
Do you have to refresh every few years? Also there will be more batches coming up.
So we have already told कि validity कितनी है for the certificates. So every few years, yes, जब आपका expire होगा certificate, you have to upgrade.
And yes, we have refresher sessions. जब हमारा course के बाद कुछ time रहता है, then we keep meeting our old students, we keep refreshing on their knowledge. We have workshops, we have different sessions, so you can stay connected with us.
And also there will be more batches coming up. Yes, of course, yoga instructor course के batches चलते रहते हैं. बट इतनी जल्दी नहीं आते. नॉट सो फ्रीक्वेंटली कि हर 1 महीने में 2 महीने में हो रहा है, बट एवरी 3-4 months वी स्टार्ट. तो सो इट्स बेटर यू स्टार्ट नाउ, अदरवाइज नेक्स्ट बैच जो आएगा वो लेट आएगा काफी. सो जैसे हमें जल्दी है सिखाने की, वैसे आपको भी सीखने की जल्दी होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज the knowledge is very precious.
And you know, I think this is the great time. Lockdown है, कोरोना है, बाहर सब घर में ही है, third wave आने वाला है, and all of this is going on. It's the best time to learn this new beautiful skill of yoga. ये best time है सीखने का. तो अगर आप इसको पोस्टपोन करने का सोच रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल उसे कैंसिल करके अभी सीखिए, बिकॉज आगे जाके हम फिर तो नॉर्मल लाइफ शुरू हो जाएगी, हम बिजी हो जाएंगे। ये सही टाइम है इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करने का, सीखने का, द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग सीखने का थ्रू योगा। Can we have okay questions? Can we have one class on Sunday instead of Saturday? Okay, Kinari ji, if few students, जो भी final students होते जाएंगे हम उनका group बनाएंगे and before the final timing and the final days हम उन सभी students से एक बार जरूर discuss करेंगे. So don't have to worry on that.
So those are the tentative schedule TTS है. If many working people join like you, जो सिर्फ Saturday या Sunday को attend कर सकते हैं, so we'll उसके हिसाब से
we will manage. जो भी इंसान आज या कल में रजिस्टर करता है, हमको क्लैरिटी होगी कि वो हमारे साथ कोर्स में है, देन उनकी नीड्स के हिसाब से वी विल अपडेट द टाइमिंग और द डेज. इफ पॉसिबल वी विल श्योरली डू इट फॉर यू.
Yes.
Any other courses like fitness trainer courses available? About no, currently we don't have any other fitness trainer courses. Sorry. Can we shift from Tuesday, Thursday?
So I have this question: how will you physically correct the postures? When I have basic understanding of yoga. I mean, I've been practicing Hatha Yoga, but as you said, there are so many confusing theories and about yoga, and especially in Gurgaon, there are so many practitioners who are teaching yoga. So in fact, they their students like me inherit their faults as well. Have you?
Yes, Tara ji, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Tara ji, see, this course is in a way हमने बहुत सारे students के doubts, questions को personally one-on-one session से clear किया है. So अगर आपको किसी posture में कोई question है, of course we will not be able to physically touch you and correct your posture, but if on a one-on-one call we can connect and we can help you in the best possible way. This is happening and this is happened for a lot of students जिनको कहीं पे भी कोई question आया, particularly किसी आसन में, particularly किसी प्राणायाम में, तो we have personally, individually connected with them. And that is one of the reasons that we don't have very, very big batches, so that we can give personal attention to one person each.
And second thing, Tara ji, to answer your question about physically correcting the posture, so it is not always possible to physically go to the student and push him with your hands or pull him with your. It is not always possible. Even in group classes, when the batch is very big, it is not possible to go and physically correct the posture. So our technique, our teaching style is that detailed and that specific कि आपको external help की जरूरत पड़ेगी नहीं कि कोई दूसरा आदमी आपको खींचे आके. Second thing, if required, we will ask you to arrange some props from your household things only. कि you use your household things only and you correct your posture. से चुन्नी ले ली, तकिया ले लिया, and how to correct that posture, उसको use करके we teach you. So don't worry about the physically correcting part. Without that, we can make you do many postures.
And it's not a big deal. Believe me, people think it's a big deal, but it's not. It can be learned online also. Okay, Taraji, did we answer your question? Okay, so we have, yeah, so almost all questions we have answered.
Good morning, ma'am and sir.
Good morning, Mahi ji.
कैसे हैं आप लोग?
We are very good.
Thank you for asking.
Thank you so much for asking. Yeah.
होता है actually पूरी life में.
Yes.
बोलो.
अच्छा, आप लोग ऑफ स्टार्ट करेंगे? मैं ये जस्ट पूछना चाह रही थी.
So offline भी है, but we are currently placed in Pune. So आप कहाँ से हैं? उस पे depend करता है if you can attend offline.
Actually मैं आना ही चाह रही थी पुणे में. Actually मुझे आना था अपना मास्टर करने के लिए.
Okay. Then अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल you are welcome.
Whenever government allows lockdown खत्म हो, उस समय हम आएंगे. 30th May end तक तो lockdown है. उसके बाद लॉकडाउन खुलेगा ऐसा सुनने में आया है.
सर जून तक हो जाएगा. मेरी बात हुई थी तो जून तक बोल रहे थे वो लोग.
अच्छा, आपकी बात हुई थी ऊपर गवर्नमेंट से? है
मतलब लिंक पे है तो जो है मतलब तो उन्होंने मतलब बता दिया था कि हाँ खुलेगा कॉलेज वगैरह के बच्चों
तो बिल्कुल आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. The moment government हटाता है लॉकडाउन, we are going to get offline.
Maybe कब तक?
Achal and Himanshu and Achal, I would like you to show your qualifications. Do you have that slide with you?
Yes, yes, yes.
आप तो वो थोड़ा बताइए सबको जरा.
Okay.
Yes, yes, we will share that. So see, we have the first teacher training course that we both did was from Rishikesh, from the Art of Living. Like we know, this is my few of my asanas, and this is my very first certification. This is my transformation story, where I lost weight about 15 kgs after my in my first year of college when I started just doing yoga, and then this is the certification that I have. I am a level 3, which is the highest level in the government right now, yoga teacher. जैसे level 1, level 2, level 3 की हमने बात करी, so this is my level 3 certificate. We've also been to the Bihar School of Yoga, where we have residentially हमने 3 month का एक course किया था. Residentially वहाँ पे हम आश्रम में रहे थे from Bihar School Yoga. ये मेरा लेवल 2 का सर्टिफिकेट है. मैंने पहले लेवल 2 दिया था, फिर मैंने रिसेंटली लेवल 3 भी दिया है. मैंने मेडिकल योग भी किया हुआ है. ये मेरा एक्यूप्रेशर का सर्टिफिकेट है. मैं एक्यूप्रेशर में भी सीखी हूँ 2 लेवल्स तक, और भी चल रहे हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो आई हैव been in Sivananda Yog Dhanvantri Ashram, which is in Kerala, Nayar Dam, and I have been awarded as Yoga Shiromani after completion of that. ऑल्सो मैंने एस व्यासा से अपना 1 month का जो बेसिक टीचर ट्रेनिंग होता है एस व्यासा में, वो भी किया हुआ है. मेरी मास्टर्स भी योगा में ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाली है. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट कोर्स. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट कोर्स इन ऋषिकेश इन द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर गंगा फ्रॉम द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग श्री स्कूल ऑफ योगा. एंड या ऑल्सो दिस इज मोरारजी देसाई नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ योगा से मैंने पढ़ाई करी है. पहला जो बेसिक कोर्स है वहां से मैंने सीखा है मोरारजी देसाई सीपी में. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो माई पिलाटेस एंड मेडिकल योगा सर्टिफिकेट विच आई हैव डन फ्रॉम पुणे इटसेल्फ. सो जो भी सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं सेम ही सारे हिमांशु जी के भी हैं.
So I will just show you कि मेरे पास भी same, and I have also this little small transformation story. I have lost many kgs and very
double
few times.
than me. He lost about 30-35 kgs.
Yes, many kgs. So this is again level 3 yoga teacher. I am also level 3. This is Bihar Yoga, and all the certificates are same because we are husband wife. So that is also another thing. One cannot go. So these are the things.
So any other questions are left? If not, then we'll call it a day. There any questions?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, Shivanji.
Do you guys have any profile on Facebook or Instagram where we can follow?
Sure,
Yeah,
we will send it on the group. We
On
will
the group.
send it on the group
On
after this
WhatsApp.
session. So is this course level 1 plus level 2 or level 2 plus level 3? So this course currently, Neha Patology, is level 1 plus level 2. But if you are very, very Uttam Adhikaran, if you are a student who has very nicely grasped everything, then we will also teach you level 3. Don't worry.
So Neha, I'll clarify again. If you are a fresher, if you haven't cleared any level, just enroll in the first course. क्योंकि बाकी सब में लिखा है कि level 1, level 2 certified चाहिए. If you are not certified, enroll in the first course. Give our internal assessment exams. If you perform well, if you wish to do level 3, we will upgrade you to level 3. तो हमारा जो कोर्स है उसमें 1 + 2 + 3 तीनों सिखाएंगे. लेकिन जो फ्रेशर है वो 1 + 2 में आएगा, और अगर अच्छा निकलता है तो 3 के अपग्रेड में भी आएगा, उसके इच्छा होती है तो. वरना वो सिर्फ 1 + 2 ही करेगा. अगर वो सिर्फ 1 करना चाहता है तो समझ आया. इफ यू वांट टू डू 3 आफ्टर डूइंग 1 + 2, यू अपीयर फॉर level 3. मतलब level 3 भी अटेंड करो, which will last for another 1.5 months and which will cost you another 10,000. जो लास्ट वाली चीज है.
Okay, yes, काव्या जी, आपको कुछ पूछना है? आप you've raised your hand.
ठीक है. नेहा, क्लियर है या फिर
नेहा जी,
आई कैन दोबारा आई विल टेल यू.
you can also unmute yourself, Neha ji, and ask.
हाँ, ओके.
Okay. ठीक है. Yes,
So,
perfect.
Himanshu and Achal, I just wanted to clarify for everybody's clarification that early bird discount which you have offered. So they can
Yes.
take up that offer by tomorrow by paying 2,000 rupees as a token amount. And then 50% of the fees they pay when they join the course, and the balance 50% within a month. The
Yes.
detailed payment details you would be putting on the WhatsApp group after this meeting, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
further payment and fees details will be put on the WhatsApp.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being there with us. We really look forward to meet you on the.
And I would like to say just a couple of words at the end. Whether you want to become a yoga teacher or you don't want to become a yoga teacher, that is a different thing. But this course is for self-aggrandizement. Let me assure you that it covers much, much, much more than what the syllabus is prescribed. It will be an enriching experience. और aggrandizement मतलब मैं किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं खुद के growth के लिए कर रहा हूँ. So this course is going to help you in that. Thank you.
Yes, please send me your number, Anjali. Surely
So,
I will.
so first of all, I will send if I would like to know if all of you are on the WhatsApp group which we have made, and if you are not in the group, I'll send the link on Zoom immediately.
Right now.
So just be added to this WhatsApp group. Further
इसमें
details
सारी
will be
डिटेल्स
sent
है.
there.
मेरा नंबर, हिमांशु जी का नंबर, आशीष जी का नंबर, सब उस ग्रुप में आपको मिल जाएगा. We are sharing the invite link of that group in the WhatsApp chat right now. You can join it if you have not already joined it.
हाँ, तो सबसे पहले इसको ज्वाइन करो. उसके बाद सारी डिटेल्स यहाँ पर जिस मीटिंग के बाद में भेजूंगा. सबका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, पेमेंट डिटेल, सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स, एवरीथिंग आई विल सेंड.
Okay. Any other question? Okay, great.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. Thank you. I think
So can we say a very
Pratik
Achal, can
ji,
we
I
say
think has a
before
question.
close the, yeah, please go ahead.
हेलो
Yes, Pratik ji.
कविता,
बिल्कुल.
मैं कविता.
कविता जी. Okay,
कविता
yes,
जी,
कविता जी.
हाँ, मुझे ये क्वेश्चन था कि ये रिकॉर्डिंग मुझे दिखाना है किसी को,
हाँ.
तो मिल सकता है क्या?
हाँ, तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग का भी हमने इसको रिकॉर्ड किया है, इस पूरी मीटिंग को. इसका भी लिंक हम उस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेज देंगे कविता जी. ठीक है, आप हैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में?
हाँ हाँ
बिल्कुल. आई विल सेंड द लिंक, डोंट वरी. मैं अभी इसके
हाँ.
सेशन के बाद दिस मीटिंग विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इन अनदर 1-2 hours, देन आई विल सेंड द लिंक. ओके
ओके, ठीक है. क्योंकि मैं गुजराती हूँ, गुजरात में मुझे किसी को दिखाना है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
बिल्कुल ज्वाइन.
बिल्कुल 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 कविता जी, आपको हम भेज देंगे, डोंट वरी. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
हाँ जी, आशीष जी.
And Achal, please conclude before you conclude the meeting, say a beautiful prayer in your lovely voice. Okay.
Okay, so let's conclude today's session with a little prayer. इस prayer का नाम है सर्वे भवन्तु. So let's join our hands together. Let's close our eyes. Let's take a deep, long breath in first. And let go. तो अपने मन में इस भाव को उत्पन्न करें कि भगवान सभी को खुश रखे, सभी को निरोगी रखे, सभी को शांति प्रदान करे. इसी भाव के साथ सबके लिए प्रे करते हुए, सबको ब्लेस करते हुए प्रेयर करेंगे. टुगेदर विद मी, इनहेल डीपली. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम्. Gently bow down. With an attitude of gratitude, may gently rub your palms together. Do palming. Face. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much, everyone. We look forward to meeting you in our first session of the teacher training program, which we are going to start from the 1st of June. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ankit ji. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kavita ji. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye, Kinari ji.
It's Kinnari.
Oh, so sorry, Kinnari ji.
It's not Kinnari, it's Kinnari. Thank you.
Okay, Kinnari ji. You're welcome, Shruti.